this video, we're going to do an uphold basic to multiple come-arounds, and this is Balboa. So we'll show you real quick what we're going to do, and then we'll break it down.
I'm going to start in closed position, and I'll do my uphold basic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did 2 in a row that time. So, but you could do multiples. All right, so why don't we explain that, Dick?
Okay, in a previous video, we demonstrated the uphold basic. It looks like this. 1, 2, gather step, 5, 6, gather step.
Can I show my foot real quick here? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Leader's footwork is like this. We start back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Again, we're in closed position. Okay, from here, we're going to do one set of uphold basic. Then I'm going to do what we call an out and in. So it's 1, 2, 3. I start heading clockwise. Again, leader's footwork, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go around in a circle. My footwork's 1, 2, 3. I hold 4, hook, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. From here, again, walk, walk, walk. I hook, 5, 6, 7. That was twice around for the leader.
Okay, then I'll show mine since he showed his. He has me here. He takes me 1, 2, 3. Turn me a quarter turn. That was 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7. Hold 8. Because we're doing multiples, I have to hook on one because this is the foot available. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Then I cross again. 5, 6, 7. And then we could continue doing that if we wanted. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, hold 8.
Okay, so we'll break that down as we dance it. So first part is my basic, which uphold basic is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, from here I do an out and in. I'm gonna go way and back. That's my 1 and 2. Looks like this. Rock, step, 2. We hold 3. I'm gonna take my right foot and hook it tight behind. This would be count 4. 5, 6, 7. That was count 5. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Now I'm going to continue this with forward walks. 1, 2, 3. Then I hook. 5, 6, 7. Invite the girl back into closed position. Go right into the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Edna will follow with her foot. I'll show you one more time from the basic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Here's the count.
7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
Hook.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6,
We're
7.
done.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so one thing I do want to say is that this is called pure bal when you're this close to your partner. When he takes me into a come around and he sends me out, we go right into what's called Bal-Swing. So we start in pure bal. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As he gives me that, pushes me out and does 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're now open. We're going to go 5, 6, 7.
Leaders notice that we are pretty much spotlighting each other. It means my chest is following, hers is following, and we are like this. There's space in between us, but I'm not running around sideways. I'm trying to face her. I go the hook, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. When I'm done, I pull it back in where we started and resume my basic.
So that is a come around from an uphold basic. See you later. Bye-bye.